Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Go ahead and join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Today we are making mixed vegetable potato salad. So here I have some frozen green beans that I'm going to chop up. So we're going to start off with 4 potatoes. I'm feeding a family of 3, so 4 potatoes is all you need. So I've just roughly chopped the potatoes, and now it's time to give it a good rinse. Let it boil for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add the green beans to the potatoes. And some corn. Next, we're going to boil 2 eggs. So now it's time to chop your onion. So since I have 4 potatoes, I'm going to scoop out 4 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of sweet relish. Go ahead and add your onions. Celery salt. Give it a good stir. So now the mixed vegetables are done. We're just going to add them to the mix. With a little bit of salt and pepper. Go ahead and give it a good mix. chopped the egg. And add the eggs to the mix. I used the second egg for garnishment. So now we're going to add a little bit of sweet paprika to it to give it some color.